Hi. You may be mid-late career, wondering what to do next, wondering if your boss is going to actually deliver everything that has been promised over the years with these careers and so on. You're not alone. There's a lot of people out there who just are in doubt now. Cost cutbacks, banks failing, digital companies going to one side, things going generally skew-if, and people are worried. But you don't need to worry so much if you're not tied to one job. What I'm talking about is there are alternatives. You can begin to build up your own business. You can build up brand you over a period of time. But maybe you just don't know where to start. Maybe you've been thinking about it. Maybe you've been thinking about it for some time. And maybe now is the right time to take that leap of faith and just go and have a look. Have a look at things like online work, affiliate marketing, e-commerce, coaching. You've got the skills most likely after many years working. You've got skills you probably don't even know about. And if tech skills are a challenge, then we've got the solution for you. We've got a series of cutting-edge experiential training courses for marketing, online marketing, e-commerce, coaching, whatever you can imagine. There are certain things, certain steps that have to be taken. On the technical side, you learn those skills. Then you use your imagination and you get to work and start building the business of your dreams. And what do you get for that? You will get an income so that you earn while you learn, and eventually earn while you sleep. And that is the best thing ever. I can tell you that for nothing. I've been in this for a couple of years now. I work with some great people. We've got tie-ins with great marketing professionals, everybody from videographers to script writers to everything, and we work together, build up our business online while we're still working. And then when you're ready to step back, when you feel I'm making more on my part-time job than on my full-time job, then that's the time to jump. And you will not regret it. Just have a click below and that'll bring you to a mate of ours, or a mentor of ours, Stuart Ross, and he'll explain the entire approach. We've got the tools, we've got everything, shortcuts, templates, everything to get you going towards building the business of your dreams from scratch in minimal time. It's up to you. Don't be afraid to work. Don't be afraid to learn. Just go for it, and we'll see you on the other side. Click below. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.